polyester blends, mostly cotton, and I decided to use these, and they will launder better than if something like this. This is all fabric. This is just fabric that I had in my cache of fabric. I'm a quilter as well, and they will not hold up to the continual wash of a rag rug. This rug is only used on top of a table that my mother uses. You know how mothers are. They think whatever you make is fabulous. I'm no different. My mother thinks the same thing. And she has this on the top of a table, so it's not getting walked on. However, I did have another rug that I made, and it was a rectangle rug. And because I used fabric, even though it was washed first, it kind of frayed and fell apart and it stretched out. If you use sheets as opposed to fabric, just any fabric, you're going to have a lot better end product that is going to be able to be washed and washed and washed and washed.